Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the project and connecting the data feed so the viewer shows real inputs. First, make sure your tracker feed is active and matches the expected sample rate. Mismatches cause jitter. Then open the viewer and load the project or drag your raw file in. This maps channels quickly. Once done, pick the device profile and set the time range so visualizations load correctly. These steps avoid misaligned timelines and let you focus on inspection immediately. Next, you inspect tracks and refine the signal to reveal meaningful behavior. Scrub the timeline to jump to events. Make sure snapping is on for frame-accurate positions. Then apply filters like smoothing, 0, 5, or a low pass at 5 Hz to remove high-frequency noise. Decimate if data is dense. Color code layers so you can visually separate sensors, lock tracks you trust, and flag any suspicious segments. This focused execution helps you isolate issues and prepares the dataset for analysis or export. Finally, you export cleaned results and lock the session for sharing. Choose CSV or JSON for numeric workflows, or a video overlay with timestamp burn-in for presentations. Save your filter and view presets so you can reproduce the same processing next time. If something goes wrong, for example a track drifts, recalibrate the sensors, reassign anchors, and make sure both systems share the same time base. Time mismatches are the most common cause of apparent drift. That troubleshooting step usually fixes persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.